Right.
We got to take them out.
Why?
We got a flywheel. Flywheel sitting right there.
The flywheel goes in between.
Yep. It's my fault.
Bruh.
So worried about the goddamn torque shit. My next step, actually, once I get the motor and transmission put together. This is a PMC. Thought I had all this shit ready. Apparently not. Still on there?
Might need the ratchet too.
Yeah, look at the very top of the toolbox towards the back. Yeah, that's it. Good job.
See, there we go. Apparently not. Oh, we can go.
Drive two of them down. See flush ring.
Yeah.
I was probably loose at first.
We gotta get one for the top also. I don't want to tighten it down with this just get all in.
Right. Sit on there first.
Do 3 or 4 spins by hand, make sure it's actually going in. Still, so we got some thread.
They all acting like they will spin it back out all of them. Take one and run it through all of them. They all acting like that?
Well, there's a neck on it too, so it might be that it's actually straight centering this up. Yeah, it might be. Because they don't seem to be like fighting going in, it's just they're not smooth, freehand. It seems to be once it gets down to where like that neck is on it. Yeah, now they're wanting to go all the way down. Alright, well they're all seated.
Alright, look under there. You should see a 3/8 torque wrench box. That's a 1/2 inch box. Shorter when you see it.
That's the big one. That's the small one.
Yeah, we'll get the small one.
Actually,
Alright, fun stuff. 61.
so it's 61.
Yep.
Here, let's go just past the 60 mark.
No, not yet. Not yet. Alright.
Why?
Flywheel sitting right there.
The flywheel goes in between.
Yep. It's my fault.
Bruh.
So worried about the goddamn torque shit. No, we're gonna drop the motor now. Oh, goddamn rocking shit.
I'd set it down to where it just touches, but still keeps some tension
Yeah,
on.
that's all good. Yeah, that's my fault.
Hey man, if it was good enough to do once, it's good enough to do twice, right?
Yep, ready?
Yep. Alright, spacers and flywheel?
Yep.
Do you need any of these stock spacers?
Nope.
Man, you should have painted this, like cleaned it up, painted it or something.
This thing is a scene.
We're putting a drive shaft in it. Wait, question.
Yeah.
Which way does it face?
The burnt ends on the outside.
The what?
Flip over, burnt ends. That's what I call it, outside.
That way?
Yep.
Alright, we ready for the plate? Ain't that.
You have another small hole like that somewhere on your side?
Those are all backside things up here. So this has to be the bottom because it don't run.
Oh, wait, no, that's the bottom. It's got this.
Loctites. Oops. My bad. So these are the top edge. Like the way that one's moving. Looks like it's trying to.
Good or no?
I mean, I guess it should go. Okay, there we didn't have it in the right stuff.
And then the top one will run 3/8 drive. Okay, move here.
Drop.
That's a flush. It's going down.
How are you guys done?
We're good now.
Nope, not yet.
Okay.
Alright, what am I looking for? Where?
3/8 bits all bits. Sockets all of them. Be well closer to where your hand at.
Okay.
This is probably about a 17. Small one's probably.
That's an 18. I don't think that's gonna work.
Shit.
That's not gotta be a 19.
Shit. The big draw right there where you let's open it rear bar.
Okay, that'll work on the big ones, and I have a feeling these down here are going to be the 18s. Or 17s.
I'm just examining with this side.
This is for the big ones up top.
We got a lot of sales.
Right. Nah, this is truly the fun part that's about to happen. I'm gonna need your help with this one. I don't know.
What you mean? Transmission time? Not
Yeah,
like
but that's not what I'm worried. What I'm worried about is the bearing. You gotta put one of these bearings on top of it, and I don't really know how to get up.
wait a minute. This ain't gonna work. That don't go in there, but it does go in there. So that's not a 350Z one.
Right, that's what I'm saying. So that's some shit that he had going on.
It's like you're gonna have to make auto parts run.
Well, what? Won't fit in there?
It will. You gonna put an old one in there?
Yeah, that's some in there. We're just all with them.
Shit. Trying to pull it back. I got the back. Try to. Do I have something we can just set underneath?
Really?
And you don't have. That's what I like about my LS. I can actually just turn it.
Oh,
Actually, you know what? You got this. Do you have where the? I was wondering if I can try to stop this from turning just a little bit. You got flathead screwdrivers?
outside.
Outside. Okay, try wiggling it.
The whole problem was.
Alright. I ain't gonna lie. I did mine by myself, 56. I put that bitch on a jack and literally sat there with a hand on it trying to keep it from rotating. But I had the butt end of a drive shaft cut off, so I was able to actually kind of wiggle that enough to get it to where it finally. Question: do you have a little bit of grease or something just to help?
All of AZ fucking swaps and all that shit. All of LS Motor
I was
shit.
gonna say if you want to grease up the shaft here for the bearing or where the bearing, all that stuff. Man, I have to believe we were threaded. I bet if we'd have sunk a bolt.
That's the most horrible. Now look, open that short on my left.
We got lucky.
Nope.
No?
Yo.
Hold on. Damn, didn't I just have that one? Have one there?
Yeah. Short one. One right beside it, you passed.
Right. Set it down over here. Oh. Still turning. Is there a second? I thought it was just this one thing.
There you go.
See here, I can actually.
Alright, wait, you had it. It's hard.
Yeah, you're in gear. Damn, dude, that thing is all you gotta just barely get it again.
What's the line got?
Where the just in case. Right. Go! I'm telling you, I did the T56 by myself in my yard. Yeah.
Jay-Z, that's hard.
I guess the factory ones of these have because everybody swears they're super easy to stab it. Yeah. And a bushing also quite the same bearing.
We don't have it on it, but now we fall.
You don't have a mallet tap to help get it, motivated. Like if it's actually going in, but not, the friction's keeping it from us getting it all. A rubber mallet would be a gentle way of giving.
No rubber mallet.
All right, man. Let's go.
Let's try.